Hey y'all, I have got some great laundry deals for you for this Saturday at Dollar General. So if you are interested in how to spend $8.25 on 5 laundry items, then this video is for you. Please make sure you are subscribed, hit that bell for notifications, and share if you'd like. Alright guys, let's get into it. Okay, so the first non-deal any day item is the Tide Simply Pods. They are $3.50 and we've got a 50-cent digital, making it just $3. So if you need some laundry detergent real quick, real cheap, I would grab these. Or instead you can use it on the liquid Tide Simply detergent. It's just whichever kind you prefer to use. The 32 ounce is $3.50, so after that 50-cent digital, it'll be $3. The Persil Ultra Packs are also applying to the $2 off Persil coupon. They are $5.95, so if you like those better than the liquid, feel free to interchange those. I just chose the liquid detergent in every deal because it comes out cheaper. If you're just looking for some cheap laundry detergent, then I've got you. We've got $2.50 Purex packs, or we can grab the 35 count, and it'll be just $4.75 after $1 cash back. Or you can get the liquid Purex, it's $6. After $1 cash back, it'll be $5. Alright, so I promised you deals. Here come the deals. Deal number 1, stacking our 5 off 25 with our 5 off 20, all Snuggle and Persil. Right, y'all, so the first one I'm going to grab is the Persil 40 ounce liquid. They're on sale for $5.50. We have a $2 digital, drops it down to $3.50. Now, it's important to make sure that both of these offers are attaching to your items when you scan them so that you know they are included. Alright guys, the second thing we're adding is the 120 count Snuggle dryer sheets. These are $3.75 and we're going to get $1 cash back. Next item we're grabbing is the Snuggle scent beads. They are $6. We have a $2 cash back offer, so we are going to grab this. Next we're going to grab the large Snuggle fabric softener. It is priced at $8. We have a $1.25 cash back offer. The 40 count Snuggle is the last item we're grabbing. It is $2 and we have a 50-cent cashback offer. Alright, so here is a little screenshot breakdown for you. We'll buy the Persil detergent, the 120 count dryer sheets, the scent beads, the 90 ounce Snuggle, and the 40 count dryer sheets. Our subtotal is $25.25. Then we're going to subtract our coupons. We're getting 5 off for the Saturday coupon, 5 off of the All Snuggle and Purex for spending $20. We have $2 off the Persil. We're going to pay $13.25 and earn back $4.75 in cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $8.50. Alright y'all, in deal 2, we are simply going to switch out the Snuggle dryer sheets for the Snuggle 40 ounce liquid. Okay, deal number 2, I'm also going to grab the Persil because that's the best deal here, period. So let's grab the 40 ounce at $5.50. This time we're going to grab the 40 ounce liquid Snuggle fabric softener for $3.75. We are going to throw in the Snuggle scent beads for $6. We're going to grab the large Snuggle fabric softener at $8. We're going to earn $1.25 cash back on this. And lastly, we're going to grab the $2 Snuggle and we'll get 50 cents cash back, making it $1.50. Alright, so our breakdown is going to be pretty similar. Our subtotal is $25.25. Our $5 DG Saturday coupon comes off. Our $5 All Snuggle and Purex comes off. $2 for Persil comes off. $1.25 for Snuggle. We're going to pay $12, and then we're going to earn $3.75 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $8.25. 3. I'm going to grab the 141 ounce all free and clear. These are $17, and we have a $4 cashback offer, making them just $13. So clip this. Next, we're going to use our trusty dusty Snuggle $8 bottle with $1.25 cash back. So the breakdown is buying one all free and clear and one Snuggle. Our subtotal is $25 on the nose. And we're going to subtract the $5 Saturday coupon, the $5 all and Snuggle coupon. We're going to pay $15, and then we're going to earn $5.25 cash back, making our new total $9.75. Deal number 4. This time we're grabbing the all free and clear Mighty Packs. They are $12. We've got a $3 cashback offer, dropping them down to just $9. Then we're going to grab the $5 all free and clear liquid detergent. We've got a $1 cashback offer for this, dropping it down to $4. Lastly, we're going to toss in my best friend in this video, apparently, the Snuggle Liquid Fabric Softener at $8. Alright, so the breakdown for Deal 4 is buy the all free and clear packs at $12, buy the 36 ounce all liquid detergent at $5, and my best friend Snuggle Liquid at $8. Our subtotal is $25. So our $5 DG Saturday coupon comes off. Our $5 all and Snuggle digital comes off. We're going to pay $15, but then we're going to earn $5.25 cash back, making our new total $9.75. Alright y'all, that is it for this video. I truly appreciate you sticking around for this long. I hope you found something helpful or useful in my content. So, if you would like, just stick around, and I should be uploading the Arm & Hammer with a Saturday deal also for ultimate savings. So just make sure you stay up to date on everything by clicking the notification bell and making sure it is set to on. That way you will never miss any of my posts. Alright y'all, I thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.